Please visit our playlists. Photoshop with t-shirt printing, CorelDRAW with t-shirt printing, YouTube tips, Filmora video editing tutorials, cooking and salads, basic accounting tutorials, makeup tutorials, military news update, sorry, skincare, travel vlog, chess assassin playlist. Shout out to the following:
Bia, El Prisco. This game happened during the 7th Russian Championship between Nesmetdinov and Swidin. Nesmetdinov opens with e4. And Swidin replies with c5, a Sicilian defense. Alexei Stepanovich Swidin was a Soviet and Russian chess grandmaster and author. He was a prominent opening theorist. He was the world senior chess champion from 1996 to 1997. This capture of Black Queen is a loss of tempo. As beginners, we are told to develop our pieces rapidly. In this case, capturing with bishop is better. White takes the risk of opening his king position, since black pieces lack development. Now, White threatens checkmate. Another black defender is removed with check. Not king to f8, because of white rook to g1 with strong attack. A strong move, so that the rook on h1 can join the attack. After several more moves, black resigns.
That is all for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.